Hey everybody, I'm Sherry Criswell. I'm going live today. I got a haul from Couture. It's full of holiday transfers, so I thought I'd just come up here real quick and have a live. Let's see what I got. I did open it, but I didn't take anything out yet, so let's see it together. Well, first of all, I got some inks and pastes. I do want to show you one thing with this. We got some new colors. They changed colors out a little bit. We have some that, sorry about that noise. We have some that have retired and then they've got new colors. Of course, I don't have everything here. Sorry about that. I wanted to show you the difference. Let's see. We had custard and sand before. And here's the color difference. This is custard. This is the retired color, and this is sand. So the new ones that we got to replace this, the closest I think, are these two. This one is, what is it called? Fawn. And it has more of a beige background. And this one is fresh linen, and it has more of a grayish tint to it, if you can see them. Okay, so here is the old one, the sand. Actually, it looks like fawn's pretty close to the sand. And here's our custard. Custard has a little bit more of a yellow base to it, but these two are retired and these are the new ones. So I just wanted to show you that. So they're close, but a little bit different. And I got some more of these tools, which are really cool. They're stronger. They're not as flimsy as these, because you want to be able to push that ink through the netting. So these really work good. Another angle squeegee, which I didn't like before, but now I do a lot. And I've never had this. This is a placement tape. It's kind of like a washi tape. So it's easy to take off, but you can place things, you know, keep them straight, lined up. So that's a few of the tools. Now let's see what the transfers are. There's this one, so cute, isn't it? Berry Christmas. I got plans for that one, and I'm gonna go live tomorrow somewhere around 10 o'clock, give or take. And we're gonna use this, and I'm gonna show you with ink what I want to do. So come back, please. Oh, here's our vintage truck. I've been making a lot of the vintage trucks, so I wanted another one. They last quite a long time, but when you're making a lot of them, and if you're using wood, you can go through it pretty fast. So, oh, this is a cool one for fall harvest, and I like a lot of the wheat and the flower flourishes. I thought that was pretty nice. And, oh yeah, fresh pumpkins. I almost didn't get that, but I've seen it done and it's so pretty. This is 2 layers, and of course here's the whatever that thing is on top of the pumpkin. And this, on top of this, oh, it's really pretty. And this, if you can see that, it's an outline or like a shadow type thing that goes on this. It's a layer over the fresh. It really looks awesome, so I'll have to try that one. And, oh, I thought this would really be cute, especially since I'm in Florida. So deck the palms. Can do something really cool with this. All the different kind of palms and this. Fun. Maybe on one of the rounds that would look cool. I don't know. Oh yeah, I love this background. Is that not cool? The houndstooth background. We also have a buffalo plaid. However, it is out of stock right now. But this is in, and I love this. You could do this on a pillow, a background, just this, or you could put something on top of it. I think that's a lot of fun. Oh yeah, they had this last year and I didn't get it. And then I saw some really pretty stuff. So I decided to get it this year. It's called Thanksgiving Corners. And it has, well, you can see the cut lines here. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure what that is. But it looks like it goes over here on these. So it must be double layered maybe. I don't know, I'll try it out. But this looks really awesome done. So I gave in, got it this year. And that's it. So I just wanted to show you real quick. And remember, I'm going to try to come back live tomorrow around 10-ish. See how the day goes. But if there's anything else here that you would like to see, have me make, let me know. Message me below. Thanks. See you tomorrow. Bye.